Everybody, so I got a quick unboxing slash tool haul to do from Cal Ranch Supply in Casa Grande. Went there yesterday, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. There's some Stihl items. Alright. Alright guys, so this is the Cal Ranch store I went to. This is their bag. But a ranch and home store and so much more is what their bag says. Visit one of our retail stores in Idaho, Utah, Nevada, and Arizona. Shop online, Cal Ranch. Follow, subscribe, like, Facebook, YouTube, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter. Enter to win monthly CalRanch.com contests. But let's get to see what's in the bag. Alright. So, I picked up for 21 bucks. This is 2.7 millimeter or 105 line. It is made by Stihl, and it is their twisted line. Let's see if I can get it in there. It's actually got grooves in it. I wouldn't say it's twisted. It's just round lined with whole slashes in it. I think they do call it their twisted line though. It says quiet trimmer line. It's on a little spool. I picked that up. Alright, so I picked up 3 blades. I picked up this guy, which is the grass cut blade. It is 230. It says grass cut right up here. This is 230 millimeter by 9.1 inches, 25 and 4 millimeters or slash 1 inch arbor. This one is called the This one is called a circular saw blade scratcher tooth. It's 200 millimeters. These two are the new packaging. This is kind of the old packaging. It is 200 millimeters instead of 230 like this one. It is 7.9 inches instead of 9.1 inches. It is 25-4 millimeters or 1 inch. So the arbor size is going to be all the same. And this one is called woodcut. It is 200 millimeters by 7.9, and it's 25-4 millimeters or 1 inch. So if we look, I'll open these and show you guys what the blades look like. This one's called the woodcut blade. So it actually kind of looks like a chainsaw tooth. And it's not very big. It's 200 by 25.4. It's 200 millimeters around. That one was the woodcut. This one is the circular saw blade scratcher tooth. It's 200 millimeters as well. It's 7.9 inches. Both of these are 7.9 inches actually. You can get this style blade at Home Depot made by Echo. That's what this one looks like. The teeth are like a regular saw blade. They're actually, one's tilted to the left, one's tilted to the right. There you go. (200 by 25.4). Z equals 80. This one's sharp. It's very sharp. This is probably the one I'm going to be using today. They all come with instructions. You can see this one's kind of ripped because it was hanging on the shelf and it kept moving. The grass cut is the 230. It's actually 30 millimeters bigger, which is quite a bit. That's this guy right here. It says 230 by 25.4. 25.4 or 1. It's a 1-inch arbor. So if you want to go spend $60 on a 100-tooth miter saw, 12-inch miter saw blade as an example, if you want to cut the hole to be a 1-inch, you could put it on your weed eater if you wanted to. I'm giving you ideas, but you heard nothing from me. But these are the blades and items I picked up from Cow Ranch. It was like $104 out the door. This is 19. The biggest blade I bought was 19, which was the grass cut. This one was 26. And this one was also 26. This was 21. But all in all, it wasn't a bad pickup. It's for this guy right here. So, picked up some accessories that were for using on the brush cutter right here. You know, and then the next time I'll buy an attachment instead of blades or accessories. And I wanted to compare this to some Walmart line I bought a long time ago. And this is the 2.7 millimeter. It's the 105, not the 0.95. So it's a little thicker. I'd like to try this compared to the old Walmart 0.95 I have. You know, and I'll go from there. Maybe I'll record that. You know, maybe I won't. I don't know, guys. It just all depends on how the day goes. I appreciate you guys' time. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace. Yeah.